To cancel a HelloFresh subscription in Canada, start by opening a preferred browser and visiting the HelloFresh website. Log in to the account by clicking the Login button at the top right corner of the screen and entering the necessary credentials. Once logged in, click the arrow next to the name at the top right corner to reveal more options. Then select Account Settings from the drop-down menu. Proceed to the Status section and choose Cancel Plan. It's possible that a short survey will need to be completed before the cancellation process is finalized. After completion, an email confirmation will be sent to the inbox, which should be retained for future reference. If cancellation is not possible through these steps, contact customer support via the chatbot on the website or by calling the provided phone number. Following these steps will complete the cancellation of a HelloFresh subscription in Canada.